All right, we've been watching that line of storms, and most of the severe weather thus far has been focused more to our north, really from Jackson, Mississippi, North Mississippi, and up toward Memphis. We have seen, as the line moves into Mississippi, numerous tornado warnings being issued, a couple of tornado emergencies, meaning one was confirmed on the ground. Then as we go south, it really has not been very active. Now, still some strong winds. We have had several thunderstorm warnings issued because of strong winds, mainly in excess of 60 miles an hour. But heck, winds sustained have been up to 30 and 40 miles an hour. So they will get stronger right along the line. There was a little area near Baton Rouge where they were starting to see a little bit of bowing, meaning the winds were getting strong, and that kind of bows the rain out ahead of the main line of storms. And also Weather Service was picking up on some minor rotation near Norwood. It doesn't look like there's anything very well established there, but again, it doesn't take much to get a little bit of rotation within these storms, and that could produce a tornado. So that risk is still very much there. Watching the line of storms as they move in. Now, thankfully, once these clear us, we will be under clearing skies overnight tonight and improving weather dramatically. So let's kind of time this out as we go through the next couple of hours. This is about where the rainfall is right now. Through the next 2 hours or so, going toward 5:30 to 6, moving more toward Tangipahoa, and then into the river parishes we go through 6 to 7 o'clock. By 7:15, most of the North Shore into the heavy rainfall, river parishes and down toward the bayou parishes. Maybe we're still dry in the city until about 7:30 toward 8 o'clock. We get the rainfall. North of the lake by 8, starting to clear out of Tangi, and then maybe more metro area and down toward the lower bayou parishes. As we go toward 9:30, clearing out of the North Shore, more of an issue from South Mississippi, maybe clearing the city and down toward the coastal parishes, lower Lafourche, lower Jefferson, and Plaquemines. And then after about 10:30, 11 o'clock, most of the rain is gone. At least the severe threat will be moving out of the area. Again, the real risk of anything severe has been highlighted to our north. We kind of saw that level 4 spill into the Florida parishes, and there is still a threat both sides of the lake for the tornadic storms. And again, we do find even the South Shore under that hatched area, which means strong, long duration tornadoes. We have not seen any thus far. Let us hope that this line continues to just be, and again, even with straight line winds, don't want to downplay that. They can cause damage in kind of around the range of an EF 0 or 1, but straight line winds would probably affect more of us, but 60-mile-an-hour winds, not devastating for a widespread area. Look at our camera just on top of our building here in the quarter. Under mostly cloudy skies, 77 degrees, our current temperature, winds sustained at 25 miles an hour. In the 70s, we did get into the low 80s, but cooler, drier air is not too far off. Once the line of storms move on in, we'll have several hours to go before the cooler, drier air moves in during the overnight. But what will also happen is the winds will settle down because they have been roaring out of the south, sustained at 30 to 40, gusting up to 50 miles, and we will remain under that high wind warning through later tonight. Once the line clears, the winds will immediately diminish, and then improving weather as we get into the day tomorrow. So at the moment with severe weather, it is just a wait and see. We will watch as the line approaches and see if anything along that line becomes severe. Certainly a good chance for the strong winds, which could warrant some severe thunderstorm warnings. And as of right now, we've not seen any rotation, but that threat is not done. Great weather and less humid for tomorrow, Friday. May see some spotty showers return on Saturday as a front moves back northward over the area. Then we clear out Sunday. Another chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms next Tuesday.